Welding on industrial battery intercell connectors is an outdated procedure required by an outdated battery design. Welding battery cell intercell connectors requires technicians to have welding training and experience, as well as an extensive array of personal protective equipment. The welding procedure can cause overheating and may lead to destruction of the cell lids or even affect the internal parts of the cell in some cases. Poor welds, a common issue with inexperienced technicians, often results in a cold burn, which means the lead of the connector is not fully welded across the surface area of the post. Cold burns create points of high resistance that cause decreased runtime, increased heat, and excessive current draw on the battery, leading to premature failure. The weld-on-cell battery design poses potential issues for dealers and industrial battery providers because you need highly trained technicians to properly weld on the intercells. The welding process has inherent safety risks due to fumes, burn accidents, possible presence of explosive hydrogen gas, and exposure to molten lead and lead dust. One of the biggest safety concerns with welded intercell connectors is the risk of igniting the residual hydrogen gas generated when the battery was charged. Notice earlier in this video, the technician must blow compressed air into the cells to evacuate the hydrogen gas before he starts burning. Welding intercells requires special training, equipment, and tools. Extra equipment is required for protection and installation. It is a demanding and time-consuming process. Consider the time involved in drilling out 4 or more posts per replacement cell and then re-welding each post. Welding on intercells is yesterday's service call. Welcome to Sunlight Battery's modular lead acid bolt-on intercell design. The cell replacement process requires only a torque wrench and intercell bolts. The Sunlight Battery design requires minimal technical service to change cells and ensures no damage to the cells. If a technician can use a torque wrench, they can remove a Sunlight Battery cell. Since no welding is required, any level technician can be dispatched to the job, saving you time and money. Burning on requires specific welding training, torch, gas, lead bar, burning dam, intercell connector, drill, lead head drill bits, hammer, center punch, compressed air, vacuum, safety glasses, gloves, and a respirator. While bolting on requires no special PPE, torque wrench and bolts, no special training. Simply unscrew the bolts. Unlike with welding, bolt-on can guarantee consistency of the quality of work when doing battery maintenance and cell replacement. With the bolt-on method, you will see an increase in efficiency because it takes at least 30 minutes less than welding. You can finish battery service calls faster, leaving your technicians with more time to do other service calls. Save you and your customers money on battery service calls. Keep your technicians and customers safer by adopting Sunlight's modular lead acid bolt-on intercell design. It pays to do it the Sunlight way.